Okay, we are going to be doing Pythagoras theorem today, and the theorem states that the square of the longest side, which is the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to the square of the sum of the remaining two sides. Now, the longest side here, which is the hypotenuse, is always talking about this guy here, which is the C. We always label it C, while it's going to be equal to the square of the remaining two sides, which is what A and B respectively. Then you can any of the sides could be A or could be B. The only thing you need to notice is the C here. This is the most important thing that you need to notice. Yeah, the theorem is just talking about that the longest side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides, which are A and B respectively. So let's take an example now. Example 1, we have the hypotenuse to be equal to 5, and one of the sides is given to be what 4. We are required to find this side. Let's label it B. Now from the theorem, we have that what 5 square, which is the longest side square, is going to be equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides, which is what B square plus 4 square. Now 5 square is 25, and we have B squared plus 4 squared is 16. Then from there we collect the light term. Okay, from there we collect the light term, so that we have that B squared, so that we have B squared is equal to 25 minus 16 then which gives us what 25 minus 16 is what is 9. So we have B squared should be equal to a 9, and B squared is equal to 9. Then we take the square root of both sides. If we check the square root of both sides, we are going to have that our B will be equal to B be equal to 3. Our B will be equal to 3 because 9 is equal to 3 times. From there we go to the next example, which is example 2. Here we are given the remaining two sides and we are required to find the hypotenuse. Let's represent the hypotenuse to be what C. So but we have that what C squared is equal to what the remaining two sides square, which is what 2 squared plus 3 squared. Then 2 squared we know is 4, and 3 squared is what 9. Adding two of them together, we have that C squared, we have that C squared is equal to 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. So, and then from there, if we take the square root of both sides, we have that C is equal to square root of 13. The square root of 13 is about 4 point something, 4.2 or 4.3 something. Now